In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase text size in Gmail to read emails more comfortably. It's a common issue that Gmail doesn't currently offer a built-in feature to adjust text size directly in emails. This can be particularly challenging if you're using a device with a high-resolution screen, or if you simply prefer to have more prominent, easier-to-read text. But don't worry, there's a straightforward workaround that involves using a feature already available on your computer. What you'll want to do is use a simple zoom function available right from your keyboard and mouse or trackpad. This technique is incredibly versatile and works across a variety of devices and operating systems, making it a perfect solution for increasing text size. So, to get started, you'll need your fingers ready on your keyboard and your mouse or trackpad handy. If you're using a PC, you'll hold down the Control key. Mac users will do the same with the Command key. Once you've got this key pressed, move to your mouse or trackpad. Start scrolling up. As you do this, you'll notice the entire Gmail interface, including the text of your emails, begins to appear larger. This is because you're actually zooming in on the whole page. Zooming in essentially magnifies everything, not just text, which can be particularly helpful if you're working on larger monitors or with higher resolution screens, where text can sometimes appear smaller than you'd like. Keep scrolling upward until the text reaches a size that's comfortable for you. This method really provides a lot of flexibility, as you can customize exactly how large or small you want everything to appear. Conversely, if you want to reduce the size of the text again, maybe you've zoomed in a bit too much or want to switch back to a broader view, simply hold the same Control or Command key and scroll down with your mouse or trackpad. This will zoom out, decreasing the text size along with everything else on the page. And there you have it, a simple yet effective technique to improve your Gmail reading experience. While it might not be the perfect built-in solution many of us are waiting for, this method certainly powers through the gap by using existing features to tailor Gmail's appearance to your needs. Always remember, this trick can be used on many other websites as well, so feel free to try it out elsewhere whenever readability becomes an issue for you. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide makes your Gmail reading a more pleasant experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tech tricks, and happy emailing!